Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters,
welcome in how to perform Umrah and Hajj series of video lectures by Ambalos from Mufakirin. Episode number 14, 40 Quranic verses or 40 Quranic supplications.
please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, or hit the thumbs down button if you don't like this video. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move to the main episode.
In this episode, I'm going to put the 40 Quranic supplications. There will be no sound in this episode. You can watch these on the screen, moving the different supplications in the sequence. If you want to see on the mobile screen, you can do so. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up button. If you don't like this video, then hit the thumbs down button. Subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed before, and hit the bell icon if you have subscribed to this channel. Then thank you very much. This is the last episode of this series. I would be putting some new videos in different topics, and also let me know in the comments what more you want to know, which is the topic or which help you want, what in future you want to see, so I can think about coming up some other solutions which you really need. And also look for some other topics which I will be thinking in future to put and create some videos to make our iman more stronger. And as the theme of this channel Mufakirin is to think and ponder on different things around us, so I will be following that theme in future and coming up with different kind of videos where we promote thinking and pondering on different aspects of our life and creations around us. Thank you very much. I congratulate you on your successful Umrah, Hajj, or both. Please keep me in your prayers wherever you are in Makkah, in Medina, or when you come back to your home country. Do keep me included in your prayers. Thank you very much. Ma'asalama. See you in next videos.